Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Viewers, right now I am here at the Islamabad International Airport. You can see the new airport is very beautiful and very clean, and it is made by international standards. You can see how beautiful this is. So many lights are here. The floors are reflecting with lights at night time, and passengers are moving around, and you can see many pilgrims who are going to perform Umrah from Islamabad to Mecca. So some of have Saudi airline and some of have Pakistan International airline. So they are ready to go to perform Umrah, and they are getting their ihram clothes here at the Islamabad International Airport. The officers here and the security persons here are very much helpful. They are trying to provide the best services according to international standards. You can see this small guy who is also going for the Umrah with his father. And at the front you can see the B1 and B6 gate and A1 and A2 gate at the left side. Other gates are at the front sides. So people are easily moving here